Greetings, parents. It's Dr. Sheila with another tip to support you and your child for their academic success. Before testing begins this school year, help your child prepare. Teach them how to take what we call a brilliant breath. Here's how it works. First, tell them to sit straight and tall in their seat and relax their shoulders. Next, they are to breathe in slowly while thinking, I am calm. Then, breathe out slowly while thinking, I am ready. Like this. I'm calm. I'm ready. Finally say, I am prepared. I am capable. I will take my time and do my best. Parents, let them repeat this strategy at least 3 times to get them used to it and get them prepared to take their tests. Now they'll be able to approach testing with calmness, and what we want is that confidence. Don't wait until test anxiety appears. Practice this brilliant breath method so it becomes a familiar tool your child can use whenever he or she needs it. Breathe, believe, begin. Parents, thank you for watching, and remember, you are your child's biggest fan. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.